Right now we're putting drops on the slide.
Okay, so right now we are heat fixing the slide right now, so we know which side to add the bacteria on, and also to make the slide more sticky for the bacteria to stick on. Right now we are doing a drop of water, 2 drops of water to prepare the slides. So when you smear the bacteria, it's easier to get on the slide. So right now we're rubbing some bacteria off. And we are now putting that on the drop of water, so the bacteria will go onto the water on the slide. And we will do the same process for the M. luteus, which we'll put on the left side.
Grady, do you want to smear?
Oh wait. So this is us repeating the process for the M. luteus. We put the drop of water, and now grabbing the bacteria, the M. luteus bacteria. And then we put it back onto the slide, touch it to the water so it attaches. This is us turning on the Bunsen burner. There we go, you gotta turn the gas on first. And I'm about to light it. And there you go, fire. And right now we're putting our slide over the fire so we can kill the bacteria and stick it onto the slide.
How long is this? Is it 20 seconds?
So we just pass it over the flame. And then the bacteria will eventually stick on. This is us staining our slide with the crystal violet. And we're letting it sit for 40 to 60 seconds. And we are just using the timer on the iPad camera, which you guys are unable to see. So it's been approximately 45 seconds, so we are now rinsing off the crystal violet with sink water. This is us putting the iodine drops onto our slide for 60 seconds, and we're timing it with our iPad right there. We did this so it could help bind the crystal violet dye inside the bacteria. Go. This is us rinsing off the iodine with sink water. This is us blot drying our slide now to get the excess water off. Go. This is rinsing it off with ethanol, which should strip off the lipid layer of the gram-negative. This is Dylan rinsing it off. You're good. This is us blot drying it after we just decolorized it with ethanol. Go. This is us flooding the smears with saffron dye for about 20 seconds. This is us rinsing off the saffron dye. This is us letting our slide air dry now. Just peacefully letting the air brush over.
And this is Pat looking at the smears through the microscope.
Simon.